also joined by my colleague Ishika, and I believe after the president actually talked about the NEET mess, the NEET irregularities and assured action, there is a protest which is being there is a protest close to the parliament, and Ishika is at the location there. Ishika, is it another political protest and this time as a reaction to the president's speech, and where the president said that the government is intent on ensuring strictest action against the accused? What are the students, if there are students around you, what are they saying?
Well, Tanima, as you rightly mentioned, today we heard the president saying that now the focus will be on improving the exam system and that, strict action will be taken on the NTA accused. But today we are seeing a reaction of that. Today, the Indian Youth Congress is holding a mega protest here at Jantar Mantar. You can see here the number of Indian Youth Congress Karyakartas that have come here, all of them protesting over the paper leak in the NEET exam, and they say that they plan to march towards the parliament. Now, in fact, what they are demanding today, they are saying that all the steps that have been taken by the government and even what is mentioned, by the president, that is very less that has been done from the government side. They say that, the paper leak that we saw, the irregularities that we saw, this is a major issue in the country, and, they demand the resignation of the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, over this, and they are also continuously questioning the Prime Minister's silence. You can in fact see here, the placards. My camera person Arun is trying to show you. You can see the large numbers in which all of these Indian Youth Congress Karyakartas in fact have gathered here. They are saying that Prime Minister should break his silence this time in the parliament over this NEET fiasco, over this NTA. All of these exams where the irregularities were found, and it is, the government bodies who are handed the investigation to the Central Bureau of Investigation. So they are saying sacking the NTA chief is not enough. They want the re-examination and also the resignation of the Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan. Until then, the protest here on the streets of the national capital is not going to stop. To you.
Right, Ishika, they're reporting on the protest site, protest being held by the Youth Congress members there, and this, of course, just after, as a reaction to the president's address, where the president in fact says that the government was intent on improving and cleaning up a complete overhaul of the exam process in the country.